Want to track a device's location from anywhere? Check the description for a link to the ultimate tracking and hacking guide. What's up, everyone? Today we're talking about something that's probably crossed your mind at least once: tracking a device's location. Whether it's your phone that slipped between the couch cushions, your tablet you left at a coffee shop, or even keeping an eye on a family member's device for peace of mind, knowing how to locate your tech is a modern-day superpower. It's a feature that's so integrated into our devices that we often forget it's there until we desperately need it. So, what exactly is location monitoring? At its core, it's the ability to see the real-time geographical position of a device, like a smartphone or a laptop, using another connected device, like your computer. This isn't some kind of spy movie magic. It's technology that leverages a combination of GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular data to pinpoint a location with surprising accuracy. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, you're looking at the Find My network. This is Apple's incredibly powerful integrated system for locating your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and even AirPods. To get started, you just need to make sure it's enabled. You'll go into your settings, tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID, then go to Find My. From there, you'll want to ensure that Find My iPhone is toggled on. It's also a good idea to enable Find My network and send last location for maximum effectiveness. Once it's set up, using it is incredibly straightforward. You'll immediately see a map displaying the current or last known location of all your devices. On the Android side of things, Google has its own excellent service called Find My Device. It functions in a very similar way and is just as essential for any Android user. To make sure it's ready to go, head into your device's settings. Then look for Security or Security and Location and tap on Find My Device. Google gives you three main options here. You can make the device ring at full volume for 5 minutes, secure the device, or remotely erase it. So how does your phone actually know where it is and report that back to you? The most well-known is the Global Positioning System, or GPS. By receiving signals from at least 4 of these satellites, your phone can calculate its precise latitude and longitude, pinpointing its location on the globe with remarkable accuracy. When GPS signals are weak or unavailable, your phone can use Wi-Fi positioning. Devices can see a list of nearby Wi-Fi networks and their signal strengths. Cell tower triangulation is another important piece of the puzzle. Your phone can measure the signal strength from multiple towers and use that information to triangulate its approximate position. Apple's Find My network takes this a step further with a brilliant offline finding feature. If your iPhone or iPad is offline, it can still be found. It does this by securely broadcasting a low-energy Bluetooth signal. This signal can be picked up by any nearby Apple device, hundreds of millions of them around the world. The entire process is end-to-end encrypted and completely anonymous, so no one, not even Apple, knows the location of your device or the identity of the person whose device helped find it. The most common scenario, and honestly, one I think everyone has experienced, is simply misplacing your phone. It's that mini heart attack you get when you pat your pockets and they're empty. This is where the Play Sound feature is your best friend. Instead of tearing your house apart, you just log into Find My Device, hit the button, and follow the sound. But what about more serious situations, like leaving your device in a public place? Imagine you leave your tablet at a cafe. By the time you realize it's gone, you could be miles away. For parents, being able to check a child's location can provide enormous peace of mind. For example, knowing your teenager made it to their friend's house safely after school. It can also be a vital tool for keeping track of elderly relatives who might be prone to getting disoriented, ensuring they are safe and where they are supposed to be. If your device is stolen, the best course of action is to track the device, lock it down remotely using Lost Mode, and then provide that information to law enforcement. Now, with all this talk of tracking, we have to have a serious conversation about privacy. These features are designed for finding your own devices or for consensual tracking between family members for safety. Using these tools to track someone without their knowledge and consent is a massive invasion of privacy and, in many places, is illegal. The core principle should always be consent. When you download a location-sharing app, you are entrusting that company with incredibly sensitive data. Stick with reputable apps from well-known developers and read their privacy policies. From the built-in simplicity of Find My and Find My Device to the crowd-sourced power of offline networks, you are more equipped than ever to keep track of your valuable tech. If you found this guide helpful, definitely hit that like button, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more tech breakdowns. And don't forget to check out the description below for a link to the ultimate tracking and hacking guide for an even deeper dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.